Hare Krishna everyone. This year, May 2024, marks the 50th arrival anniversary of Srila Prabhupada in Lausanne, one of the greatest spiritual teachers and founder Acharya of ISKCON, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. He was received in Geneva in 1974 with state honors by President of the Conseil d'État de Genève, Mr. G. Dubois, at Hotel de Ville. ISKCON stands for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. During his 10-day stay until June 8, 1974, Srila Prabhupada gave several discourses at various organizations like WHO, ILO, etc., etc. He also had an interview with Mr. Constantin Regame, professor of Sanskrit at the University of Lausanne on June 3rd. To commemorate this important occasion, we had a beautiful celebration at Srimati Kalyaniji's residence. She graciously hosted the event with her lovely family members. We had a special address by His Holiness Bhakti Vignavinasa Narsimha Swamiji Maharaj, followed by Q&A. We all chanted Hare Krishna and danced to the glory of Bhagwan.
Ji Maharaj, Bhakti Vigna Vinasa Narsimha Swami Maharaja was initiated by Srila Prabhupada in London in 1971. A year later, he received second initiation. He has been preaching for over last 25 years in Asian countries as India, Philippines, China, Taiwan, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Thailand. Through his years of preaching, he has given countless souls practical guidance and deep inspiration. Taking sannyasa in Mayapur in 1994 from Tamil Krishna Goswami did not mean much of a change in his lifestyle, since Maharaja has always been strict in his sadhana. Whoever gets to know Maharaja admires and respects his sincere and faithful practice of chanting the holy names of the Lord. He truly walks his talk. Maharaja has been teaching with the Mayapur Institute since its inception.
Welcome everyone. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare